Hey everyone, welcome back to CryptoCache. Thank you very much for joining me here today. I hope you're having an amazing day. We're going to take a very brief look here at Dogecoin, just kind of see what's going on there, because there was a recent price increase, and I want to help you understand exactly why that is, in case you're not already familiar. Dogecoin has a history of just these major pumps, followed by, I guess you could say, dumps as well. Truth be told, not all of them are the same, because obviously previously we can see the price just shoot straight up for days in a row, retrace and do the same thing over again, right? So what's to stop it from doing that now? Well, technically there isn't anything. Obviously, it could continue upwards, but I just want to kind of let you know that there's minus market conditions, of course, because I think we all know that Bitcoin is suffering right now. That is this last week's worth of trading data. There's a chance for Dogecoin to recover. The main reason why is just because, with the recent news here, or the updates, so to speak, with what just happened, that could push the price up even higher. Now, I don't typically cover fundamental, catalysts in this, because obviously this is more technical analysis only, but I can tell you right now, there's not much really to note on the technical charts here, based on the simple fact that the price just increased because of one reason, and that's a tweet sent by Elon Musk. So just note, this is essentially what was sent out. Tesla will make some merch buyable with Doge and see how it goes. Okay, so this causes a ripple in the matrix, and everyone gets super excited and wants to buy Dogecoin all of a sudden. So that's essentially what happens there. But it's pretty standard. I mean, most of the time when you see that kind of increase, it's followed by a sharp decrease. Okay, so for lack of better terms, pump and dump. Not much technical analysis can really be done here to anticipate what's going to happen next. It's mostly just a matter of what Elon decides he wants to do with the news, and essentially be able to how he communicates through Twitter is effectively the next step here. So just proceed with caution here with Dogecoin. Now we have a swing trade open here as well, so don't get wrong. As a community, we just took profits, actually, as a matter of fact, because we hit our 20-cent mark. Okay, up 25% from the get-go. Our next profit target is 23 cents. But all I'm getting at is that there's not a tremendous amount of data we can look at here to kind of anticipate what's going to happen, because it's so heavily influenced by one person that it almost doesn't matter, right? So just bear that in mind. I do think there's a strong chance that we're going to see Dogecoin kind of increase back again, just based on the simple fact that we are being held down for so long. Most of the market will recover, right? So I think we're going to see Dogecoin, just regardless, move its way back up based on that sentiment alone. Okay, but for now, just note that's the main reason why. I just want to kind of fill you in there, and hopefully you didn't get too excited here, because I took a look at this here. There's really not a tremendous amount of data that we can kind of extract from the technical charts here, because of the simple fact that it was just kind of a pump and dump, for lack of better terms. Okay. He sends out a tweet, the price goes up, everyone gets invested, he sells his position, price goes down, and we're all left with a higher amount invested. And what I mean by that here, this is the one thing we can't actually technically look at, is the volume profile visible range. You can see ever since this Fibonacci retracement level has been declining, essentially. So in other words, from the highest point, the most recent highest point, which by the way was what, October 28th, down to the current lowest point, we are looking at the most amount of volume at about 27 cents. So, there's a lot of volume higher than the price action presently. So that's going to work as a potential resistance to keep the price down. So just note that there could be a strong resistance around 27 cents. So if you hadn't already taken some profits, it wouldn't be a bad idea to consider doing so. If you're a long-term Doge holder, no worries at all. Go ahead and just leave it alone. It's not really worth, buying and selling a bunch. But simply put, that's the state of the nation here. Not much to really know outside of that tweet that we saw, of course, from Elon Musk. So I hope you found benefit here, of course, today. We'll go ahead and take a look at some other charts as well. I hope you have a good one. Thanks again for your time.